If you're experiencing connection errors while trying to play Roblox, particularly error code 2025, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. You can do this by opening a web browser and visiting any website. If you cannot connect, try resetting your router or checking your network settings. Step 2. Restart Roblox. Sometimes, simply restarting the Roblox application can resolve connection issues. Close the app completely and then reopen it to see if the error persists. Step 3. Update Roblox. Make sure that you are using the latest version of Roblox. Check for updates by visiting the official Roblox website or app store on your device. Download and install any available updates. Step 4. Clear cache and cookies. Clearing the cache and cookies on your browser or Roblox app can help fix connection errors. Go to your browser settings or app settings and find the option to clear browsing data, then restart Roblox. Step 5. Disable firewall or antivirus. Sometimes, your firewall or antivirus software may block Roblox from connecting to the internet. Temporarily disable these security features and check if the error goes away. Remember to enable them again afterward for your protection. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the connection error and get back to enjoying Roblox. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Roblox support for further assistance.